West Valley City homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to enhance their home's energy efficiency while maintaining comfort and reducing utility costs. One of the most impactful upgrades is affordable window replacement. Windows play a pivotal role in a home's energy performance, and outdated or poorly functioning windows can lead to significant energy loss. Investing in cost-effective window replacement not only improves energy efficiency but also boosts the overall value of your home. The role of windows in energy efficiency. Windows account for a significant portion of a home's energy loss. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, inefficient windows can cause up to 30% of a home's heating and cooling energy to be wasted. This energy loss occurs through conduction, leaks, and radiation. In West Valley City, where summers can be scorching and winters chilly, this inefficiency can lead to uncomfortable living conditions and sky-high energy bills. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient options helps address these issues. Modern windows are designed with advanced technologies such as double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and improved framing materials to reduce energy transfer and maintain indoor temperatures more effectively. Benefits of affordable window replacement: reduced energy costs. Energy-efficient windows minimize heat loss during winter and reduce heat gain in summer, leading to lower heating and cooling costs. Homeowners in West Valley City can save hundreds of dollars annually by upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows. Improved indoor comfort. New windows help regulate indoor temperatures, eliminating drafts and hot spots. This ensures a more consistent and comfortable environment throughout your home, regardless of the season. Environmental impact. By using less energy for heating and cooling, energy-efficient windows reduce your home's carbon footprint. This contributes to a greener, more sustainable future for West Valley City and beyond. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades, including window replacement, are attractive to potential buyers. Affordable window replacement offers a high return on investment by improving your home's marketability. Noise reduction. Modern windows provide better soundproofing, which can be a major advantage if your home is located near busy streets or noisy neighborhoods. This added tranquility improves the overall quality of life. Affordable options for West Valley City homeowners. One of the most common concerns about window replacement is the cost. However, affordable options are available that don't compromise on quality or performance. Homeowners can explore several strategies to make window replacement more budget-friendly. Energy-efficient incentives. Many federal and state programs offer tax credits and rebates for installing energy-efficient windows. West Valley City homeowners should research these opportunities to offset the cost of replacement. Phased replacement. If replacing all windows at once isn't feasible, consider a phased approach. Focus on replacing the most problematic windows first and gradually upgrade the rest. Budget-friendly materials. Vinyl windows, for example, are a cost-effective option that still offers excellent energy efficiency. Compare materials and features to find a solution that fits your budget. Local installers. Working with local window replacement companies often provides better pricing and personalized service. Local professionals understand the specific needs of West Valley City homes and can recommend the most suitable options. Selecting the right windows. When choosing replacement windows, look for features that enhance energy efficiency. Low E glass. This coating reflects heat while allowing natural light to enter, reducing the need for artificial lighting and HVAC use. Double or triple panes. Multiple layers of glass with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, between panes significantly reduce heat transfer. Energy Star certification. Windows with this label meet stringent energy efficiency standards, ensuring optimal performance. Final thought. Affordable window replacement is a smart investment for West Valley City homeowners looking to enhance energy efficiency, comfort, and home value. By upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy lower utility bills, a more sustainable lifestyle, and a comfortable home year-round. Take the first step by exploring local window replacement services and discovering the options that best suit your budget and energy-saving goals. With the right approach, improving your home's energy efficiency has never been more attainable or rewarding.